Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is December 22 and we're starting from euro dollar pair with Jakub Novak. But first, let's have a look on 5-minute chart for analyzing yesterday's transactions. The test of 1.0957 taking place at time when the MACD line moved upward from zero provoked a buy signal that resulted in a price increase of over 40 pips. Meanwhile, sales on the rebound from 1.0996 led to a 20 pip decline. Disappointing US statistics and pace of economic growth in the third quarter put pressure on dollar, leading to a rise in the pair. Today, trading may remain within a sideways channel, largely due to the empty economic calendar and anticipation of important US data that will be released during the US session. Buyers may continue their attempts to break above the December high. For long positions, buy euro when the quote hits 1.1015. And take profit at the price of 1.1055. Growth will occur after a consolidation above the December high. When buying, make sure that the MACD line lies above zero or rises from it. Euro can also be bought after 2 consecutive price tests of 1.0981. But the MACD line should be in the oversold area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.1015 and 1.1055. For short positions, sell euro when the quote hits 1.0981 and take profit at the price of 1.0939. Pressure will return if no bullish activity appears around the monthly high. When selling, make sure that the MACD line lies under zero or drops down from it. Euro can also be sold after 2 consecutive price tests of 1.1015. But the MACD line should be in the overbought area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0981 and 1.0939. We got a red-hot focus for GBPUSD presented by Dean Liu. The progress of the corrective phase slowed down around the level of 1.2600. As a result, the volume of short positions decreased, providing the opportunity to bring back the quote to the level 1.2700. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI upwardly crossed 50-meter line, indicating an increase in the volume of long positions. Meanwhile, the alligator's MAs are intertwined in the 4-hour chart. This technical factor indicates a standstill in the medium-term growth cycle. In this case, the corrective phase becomes stagnant. Keeping the price above the level of 1.2700 suggests that the pound could rise towards the level of 1.2800. This will lead to extending the upward cycle. The bearish scenario will come into play if the price stays below the level of 1.2600, with confirmation on the daily time frame. In this case, the volume of short positions could increase when the pair moves towards 1.2500. The comprehensive indicator analysis in the short-term period indicates the recovery process of the pound. in the intraday period, indicators signal that the downtrend will persist due to the current corrective phase. Gold, sweet gold, we've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Dimitrios Tsipras. Gold is trading around 2050, above the 21 SMA, and below 5/8 Muri level. Gold opened trading with a small gap around 2045. We can see that it's moving inside a secondary bullish channel. Gold could face strong resistance around the top of the uptrend channel at 2057, and could even encounter strong resistance around 5/8 Muri level at 2062. If gold falls in the next few hours and bounces around the pivot point of 2046, it could also cover the gap left around 2045. Then we could expect a bullish move with a target at 2062. If gold reaches resistance levels below 2062, it will be seen as an opportunity to sell with targets at 2037 and the psychological level of 2000 USD. Additionally, a sharp break of the uptrend channel and a close below the 21 SMA at 2037 on the 4-hour chart will be a signal to sell with a target at 200 EMA at 2006. The metal could even fall towards the bottom of the uptrend channel formed since early December around 1985. According to the Eagle indicator, gold is reaching overbought levels. If it consolidates below 2062, we could expect a technical correction in the coming days. The market sentiment report shows that there are 62.65% of traders who are buying gold. This statistic signals that the price could drop in the next few days towards the psychological level of 2000 USD. And finally, here's Laurie Bailey with AUD-USD currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. Yesterday, the Australian dollar gained 71 pips and approached the target level of 0.6815 at the upper band and the local price channel. The Marlin oscillator has been behaving nervously recently, but a break above 0.6830 opens the way for further growth with the initial target of 0.6897 towards the peak of July 13 with an intermediate level of 0.6872. On the 4-hour chart, the price has settled above the balance and the MACD indicator lines, and the Marlin oscillator has stabilized in the uptrend territory above the zero line. We're waiting for progress on this growth to 0.6815. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.